Welcome to a new episode of CuteDIY! Today I have something super cool for you guys because I'm going to try out different ways to make squishy toys. First, I'm going to try making a squishy toy out of paper and cotton. And what shape could be better than a cute cupcake? I'm going to start by drawing the outline of a cupcake on a piece of paper. Feel free to choose whatever design you want. That's totally up to you. And of course, we can't forget the sprinkles. Once the cupcake is done, I'm going to cover it with lots of vertical pieces of transparent tape. Now, I'm going to glue the covered cupcake to another piece of paper. Next, it's time to cut out the cupcake and tape the sides shut with more transparent tape. I just need to make sure that I leave a small opening at the bottom. Now for my favorite part, the stuffing. Ooh, I am so excited to see how this looks. Now, just tape the bottom shut and voila! The first squishy toy is ready to go. The next squishy toy is going to be interesting because I'm going to use kitchen sponges to make it. To make this squishy toy the perfect size, I'm going to glue a few sponges on top of each other. Now, I'm cutting them into the right shape. Can you guess what it's going to be? I'll give you a hint. It's probably what you're already thinking it is. I'm going to get a piece of wire to help me with painting. That will make holding onto it a little bit easier. Use several layers of paint to create the base. Once everything is dry, it's time to add the glaze and, of course, the face. And don't forget about the sprinkles again. So cute! And it feels great in my hands. The next idea is going to be nice and sticky because I'm going to make some cute sticky balloons. First, I'm going to make a funnel out of some paper and transparent tape. Then it's time to fill the plastic bottle with flour. Next, I'm going to transfer the flour into the balloons. Once the balloons are tied up tight, I'm going to wash them in a bowl filled with water and liquid soap. Feel free to add a little bit more soap if it feels like the balloons are not getting sticky enough. Once the balloons are dry again, you can paint silly faces on them. All done! Isn't it funny how they stick together? How fun! And now it's time for the next squishy toy. I'm going to make a super cute bubble tea squishy toy out of memory foam. I'm just using the memory foam from an old pillow. Now I'm cutting a big cup of bubble tea out of the memory foam. Look, it's not that hard. And I can cut a straw out of the leftovers. This time, painting is extra fun because I get to use my hands. It's so much faster this way. But to make sure that you don't make too much of a mess, I would recommend putting on a pair of gloves first. When I start painting the face and the tapioca bubbles, I'm going to go back to using a paintbrush. It's way easier to paint on the details that way. Now, our bubble tea just has to dry and our new squishy toy is done. Wow, doesn't it look great? And he's so mushy. The last squishy toy will be in the style of a Pop-It fidget toy, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to trace a glue stick to make two circles next to each other, but I have to make sure to leave some space in between them. Next, I'm going to color in the two circles with these bright highlighters. I just love these colors. And now I'm just missing the face. It's the little details that will really bring it to life. Once my masterpieces are complete, I'm going to cover the front and back of them with transparent tape and cut them out. I'm going to make a small cut on the lower part of each circle and fold the two sides on top of each other so that they make the shape of a little hat. Now it's time to make the frame. I'm going to draw two octagons right next to each other on a new sheet of paper. The shape isn't super important here, just make sure it's big enough to fit both of the poppets inside and let your imagination run wild. Once everything is colored in, cover the frame with more transparent tape. Next, we're going to cut out the frame and make two holes for the poppets. Now, I can put the poppets into the hole and secure them in place. And there you have it! Our last squishy poppet toy is ready! That was so fun! Now it's your turn! Which of these squishy fidget toys was your favorite? And which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments! Have fun trying them out, and see you next time!